All right, everybody, got loaded. So far, this is way better than that log grapple, I think. It's a little ripper tooth. This thing is awesome for grabbing rounds, grabbing logs. It's way cheaper. Highly recommend it. If you're thinking about that, just go ahead and get this. They was out of the log grapple the time I bought this ripper tooth, but I haven't regretted it. That thing is awesome. So, anyways, battery's about to die, so I'm gonna cut the video off. Got these giant rounds, but it's loaded, trailer squatted, so I'm gonna unload and split. And the 212cc tractor, Predator powered, is working awesome. I did finally put skins on it, so might make a video about that separately. But anyways, it's in, it's done. It works great for pulling this, and it's cheap on fuel. So that's it. I'm at 6%, so I'm about to die on this battery, so I'm gonna cut off. I want to show you excavators. I mean, awesome for this. This is like a 30-inch round, 2 of them. They're real heavy, but it's in there and works good. So excavator and the tractor's working great as a combo together. So anyways, I'm gonna cut it off for the camera dies. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe does help the channel, and you'll get to see more of these shenanigans if you subscribe and hit that bell, and you'll get notified of all of them. So as always, like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.